Good morning students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. So we have completed first lesson. Today we are going to start second lesson. Hope all have purchased the books. Have you bought the book? Textbook, English textbook. Those who haven't purchased the books, it's very high time. Go and purchase the book. We are going to start second lesson. We are going to start the second lesson. Lesson 2, Me. What is the name of the lesson? Lesson 2, Me. Who is me? Who is me? Me means ourself. You. You will tell no. Me means ourself. Myself. Me. Now, open textbook page number 9. All of you open the textbook page number 9. See, unit 2. That means lesson 2, Me. Me means about ourselves. We are going to learn about ourselves. First, I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. All of you listen here. I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Show me your fingers. All of you show me your fingers. Okay, you can see your fingers now. Now, shall we count our fingers? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally how many fingers you have? 10 fingers. How many fingers we have? 10 fingers. Likewise, how many toes we have? Little toes, you know. See, I will show in the picture. These are the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 2 legs. Each leg consists of 5 toes and second leg consists of 5 toes. So totally how many toes we have? 10 little toes. Likewise, we have 2 hands. One hand consists of 5 fingers and another hand consists of 5 fingers. So totally how many fingers? Totally 10 fingers. Now, we all are having different names, no? Yes or no? All are having different names. Names along with that nicknames. Likewise, our fingers also have different names. See. See, this is our hand. This is our hand. My hand. It consists of 5 fingers. It consists of 5 fingers. Now, shall we know the names of that fingers? Yes. First one. See, look at this finger. What is its name? Yes, it is thumb. It is thumb. Second one, second finger. It is index finger. It is index finger. Third one, it is the biggest finger. It is middle finger. This is middle finger. Next, this is ring finger. This is ring finger. Next, it is little finger, small finger. Small finger. So, totally how many fingers we have? 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Next, 2 little arms and 1 little nose. 2 little arms and 1 little nose. Show me your arms. Show me your arms. See, these are my arms. How many arms do you have? 2. All human beings are having 2 arms. Right arm, left arm. Okay. Now, this is called upper limb and this is called lower limb. So, this upper limb and this lower limb is connected with, what is this? Called elbow. It is connected with elbow. And this is our palm. This is our palm. Now, show me your nose. Where is your nose? See, this is my nose. This is my nose. We can smell tasty food. We can smell bad food. We can smell different varieties of food items. No? When mummy is cooking in the kitchen, nice flavor we can smell, no? Yes or no? While smelling that, you will go and ask, Mummy, what you are preparing today? Yes or no? Yes. Next, 1 little mouth and 2 little ears. 1 little mouth and 2 little ears. How many mouth you have? I have only 1 mouth. I have only 1 mouth. Our mouth consists of lips, tongue and teeth. And what are the uses of mouth? We will talk. We will sing. We will eat. Yes or no? Yes. Next, how many ears do you have? How many ears do you have? I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. With the help of ears, we can hear music. And music. If someone is making noise, we can hear that noise. And vehicle sound, we can hear. Yes, no, with the help of our ears. So, what we have learned today about fingers? I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Next, 2 little arms and 1 little nose. Next, 1 little mouth and 1 little mouth and 2 little ears. So, once again, all of you look in your textbook, page number 9. The name of the second lesson name is Me. I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Hold up 10 fingers. Show me your 10 fingers, all of you. See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With the help of these fingers, we can hold the pen, we can hold the pencil, and these fingers help us to write on the board. We can, with the help of these fingers, we will do our homeworks, we will write our work given by the teachers. Yes or no? And next, what is the purpose of fingers? Next, we can type in the mobile phone. How you will type? With the help of fingers. Without fingers, can you type in the mobile phone? No. If we want to on the switch, what we have to do? With the help of our fingers only, we will switch. We will on the switch, fan switch or light switch. Yes or no? If we want to on the TV, what you will do? You will hold the remote in your hand then you will press the button of that remote with the help of fingers. So these fingers are very important in our human body. Yes sir, yes or no? Yes. Next, if someone's do good work, what we will do? We will say like this, well done, good job, or we will say all the best with the help of this thumb. Yes or no? Yes, these fingers are very important. While reading in the textbook, how you will read? You will keep the finger under the sentence and you will read. Yes or no? Word by word you will keep the index finger, means second finger. Yes or no? For mentioning, for showing the particular thing. Yes or no? Now suppose I want to read. How I will read? I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Yes or no? I am using this finger. Yes, second finger, index finger. Next, how many fingers totally? How many fingers we have? We have 10 fingers, and these fingers have their own names. First one is thumb, second one is index finger, third one is middle finger, fourth one is ring finger, fifth one is little finger. Yes or no? Next, 2 little arms and 1 little nose. Arms, see, we have 2 arms, right arm and left arm. See, this is upper limb and this is lower limb. This upper limb and lower limb is connected with elbow, and this arm is connected with palm. This palm is connected with our fingers. Next, 1 little nose. Show me your nose. All of you show me your nose. Put the finger upon your nose. See, this is finger. We can smell tasty, we can smell the food items, we can smell the fragrance of the flowers, we can next, raise arms and then point the nose. All of you raise your arms. See, I am going to raise my arms. See, raise your arms. Next, point the finger, point your nose. This is my nose. See, how many nose you have? 1 or 2? See, only 1 nose, not is this 2 nose. You have 2 holes, no? You are thinking that you have 2 nose. No, this is only 1 nose. We have only 1 nose. We can breathe. We can breathe with our nose. We can smell the food items, and we can smell the fragrance of the flowers. Yes or no? Yes. One side we will breathe, and one side we will leave the air with the help of our nose. Without breathing, can you live? No, we cannot live. We can't live without breathing. With the help of nose only, we will breathe. Next, 1 little mouth and 2 little ears. Point to mouth and ears. Show me your mouth. This is our mouth. This is our mouth. Our mouth consists of 2 lips, tongue. This is our tongue, and teeth. We can speak, we can sing, we will eat. Yes or no? With the help of our mouth. Next, 2 little ears. These are our ears. We can hear while others are talking, while others are making noise. We can hear with the help of our ears. We can listen music also. Yes or no? Yes. All of you read along with me. Open your textbook. I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Hold up 10 fingers, 2 little arms and 1 little nose. Raise arms and then point to nose. 1 little mouth and 2 little ears. Point to mouth and ears. Once again, children, it's very high time to purchase your textbooks. Those who have not purchased the books, go and purchase the books and open your books and read. All of you, textbook page number 9. Those who have no books, look at the board and read. I have HAVE have, TEN 10, LITTLE little, FINGERS fingers, AND TEN 10, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. T-O-E-S, toes. Underline the word little. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Next, F-I-N-G-E-R, fingers. Next, here, T-O-E-S, toes. T-O-E-S, toes. Next, T-W-O, two. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. A-R-M-S, arms. A-R-M-S, arms. A-N-D and O-N-E, one. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. O-N-E, one. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. A-N-D and T-W-O, two. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. E-A-R-S, ears. How many fingers you have? Total 10 fingers. How many fingers you have? 10 fingers. Next, how many toes you have? 10 toes. Next, how many arms you have? 2 little arms. 2 little arms. Next, how many nose you have? Only one nose. Next, how many mouth you have? You have only one mouth. Next, how many ears do you have? You have only 2 ears. Once again, how many fingers you have? Total 10 fingers. How many fingers you have? Total 10 fingers. Next, how many toes you have? You have 10 little toes. 10 little toes. While walking, these toes will balance our body. Yes or no? When we walk, this balance of our body, the toes will balance our total body while walking. Next, how many arms do you have? You have only 2 arms. Right arm, left arm. Next, how many nose you have? You have only one nose. How many nose do you have? You have only one nose. Next, how many mouth do you have? You have only one mouth. How many ears you have? You have 2 little ears. Now, home task, homework. Homework. Hard words. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Second one, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Third one, T-O-E-S, toes. Fourth one, A-R-M-S, arms. Fifth one, N-O-S-E, nose. Sixth one, R-A-I-S-E, race. Seventh one, P-O-I-N-T, point. Eighth one, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Ninth one, E-A-R-S, ears. 10th one, hold. H-O-L-D, hold. Once again, look at the board, children. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. TOES toes, ARMS arms, NOSE nose, RAISE raise, POINT point, MOUTH mouth, EARS ears, HOLD hold. See, I will conduct test upon these names of the fingers in revision. When I will send you worksheet, at the time I will conduct test upon these names of the fingers. You have to practice it. Okay. Now these hard words you have to practice and you have to post in your class group. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.